Hi, it's Rod Rohrich, Dallas, Texas. Welcome back to Rohrich Knows Podcast, helping you become a better and more informed you. Thank you so much for all of your subscriptions to my podcast, but also to my YouTube channel. We try and inform you and educate you on all that's new and hot in wellness and cosmetic surgery and beyond. So let's talk today about role modeling and Hollywood icons and their transparency on plastic surgery. And we'll just take a look at some people. And then this is an interview with Paris Hilton where she talks about never having had Botox, fillers, or any surgery. And this is an Instagram that actually talks about this, and she's talking about how she just has grown up with doing excellent skincare and has a hot sauna and massage, and that really is all that she's really done. And I think that, I would say take it as a grain of salt, okay? Because she said it's all natural. And so when you see, is that truly all natural, I'll let you decide whether it's all natural or not. So where is this and where are we with youth and beauty and where celebrities kind of challenge the normal by claiming that they've never had plastic surgery? Because sometimes it goes beyond being absurd. Like Kim Kardashian said she's only had Botox. So let's look at 6 iconic stars. And obviously, we've gone from patients that really have been transformed, perhaps not necessarily in a good way, like Versace, to others that really have undergone transformations that really haven't been that beholding to their beautiful appearance, from Kim Basinger, Simon Cowell, and Melanie Griffin, where plastic surgery hasn't probably been the best option. And then let's look at the Deniers, J-Lo and others. And I'll tell you, Paris Hilton, obviously, she's in the Hilton dynasty. Her fame rose in the simple life, and obviously, her appearance is all due to skincare, genetics, and non-invasive treatments. I'll let you decide whether that's true or not, and if it's true or all natural, whether she's had, lip fillers, shaping of her brows, or rhinoplasty. I'll leave that up to you to decide. I would say that she's probably had some of each. And then there's Jennifer Lopez, who's a Bronx-born performer turned global superstar. And she credits everything to her hydration, olive oil, fitness, and natural beauty. And again, J-Lo she's certainly beautiful, but I just don't know if it's just all olive oil. I think it could be a lot more. When I look at her, including her nose and her face and all the others. Halle Berry is another one. She's from Cleveland, Ohio. She's a beauty. She was the first black woman to win an Academy Award for Best Actress. She's phenomenal beauty, healthy. Again, she denies having any plastic surgery, and I'll leave it with you to see whether she's had anything done. I think, again, this may be something that has had some help with non-surgical and probably surgical intervention as well. And then Shakira is a Colombian-born singer, songwriter, and icon who, again, attributes all her appearance to active lifestyle and dance routines. I know she dances a lot, but you have to dance a lot to look and feel and be younger. And I think that's a good thing. So, and then Emma Watson. Emma Watson obviously gained fame as in Harry Potter, an advocate for natural beauty. And again, she denies having any plastic surgery. And when you look at her early photos to now, I think it would probably stretch it to say that she's not had something perhaps done, including a rhinoplasty and other facial enhancements. But again, these are things that probably should be just be truthful and honest. And I think the king of the denying is Kim Kardashian. I think she's a reality TV star, entrepreneur, an icon, and she's, she claims her iconic look is due to makeup and natural beauty, and then she does say that she's had Botox. So I don't know. I think I'll leave it again to you. Obviously, I think she's had a lot more than Botox, but leave it as it may. So what are these? Why do these Hollywood icons claim that they have natural beauty that is totally anti-aging? What is the reason for that? I mean, the reason is, what are these claims really? Do they influence the public perception of beauty, or do they just become deniers? And why are they doing that? I mean, because celebrities play a significant role in shaping beauty standards, but to deny that you've had anything done is really, I think, not that apropos today, because today everybody's fairly open, and with social media you see it, even though many have had, obviously with social media you can see that many have had morphing on their static views in their face, and then when you see them in real life you go, wow, that doesn't look at all like they do on Instagram. So is it their brand preservation? Is it their ability to maintain aspiration and inspirational appeal, and to continue to look natural or to age gracefully? And I'll tell you, the harmful effects of that is that it undermines, I think, the trust and authenticity of these quote-unquote role models. And it contributes to insecurities of young women who say, wow, I want that body, that face, and I can't have it, and I can't continue to look like that because that's not normal, and because their role model isn't being truthful. So I think it's really a misempowerment opportunity to say, hey, I'm just like you. I'm aging gracefully, or I'm aging and I'm having a facelift, I'm having a rhinoplasty. That's okay. It's okay to say that. And I think that power of being honest is very, very important. It normalizes conversations. It encourages a dialogue about plastic surgery, skincare. All these things are good things. It's a platform to say, hey, I can do skincare. These are the cardinal things: sunscreen, retinol, vitamin C, an exosome, all these important things that really help to restore, nourish, and are building blocks to help keep my skin looking great and me looking great. It reinforces you as being authenticity, reinforces your authenticity, and it makes you more honest. So I would say that it's a good thing to come forth and say, hey, I've had Botox, I've had fillers. I mean, those are all things that are fine and normal. Everybody, undergoes changes as they age, and yet you want to look and feel as good as you want, which is a good thing. So having plastic surgery is totally fine. Just admit it, move on, and then you will be an advocate for being a role model, and really, really go to another level in being a role model for young women and men as well, as you age, and you can say, wow, that person has aged gracefully, and they've been truthful about it. So I think that's the call to action that you really should see. And I think that fosters, transparency, honesty, and you can then reshape societal beauty norms and empower people to be who they want to be, and inspire that next generation to embrace, authenticity. And wow, what a revelation that is. And we're seeing that, recently in the United States, that people want to return to honesty, they want to return to authenticity, and they want to also be able to have established role models where they can trust them, because that is the foundation for moving forward. So give me your thoughts, give me your comments, and always remember, Rohrich Knows podcast will always help you become a better and more informed you. Until next time, enjoy.